Hi, my name is Gabriel, and here I have the question which is under the topic of simultaneous equation. If the sum of two numbers is 4 and the sum of their squares minus 3 times their product is 76, find the numbers. So we're going to let these two numbers like should be we represent them in letters. So let x and y be the two numbers. So if we add these two numbers, the answer is 4. So x plus y is equal to 4, and we'll take this one as our first equation. And the sum of their squares minus 3 times their product. So the first thing we're going to square the first letter, that is x squared plus y squared minus 3 times their product, that is xy is equal to 76, and we'll take this one as our second equation. So these two equations, we're going to solve them simultaneously. So for us to solve them simultaneously, we're going to use the method by substitution, whereby we're going to make the first equation either x or y to be the subject of formula. So x plus y is equal to 4. Let us make x the subject of formula. So to be x will be equal to 4 minus y, and we're going to substitute this 4 minus y into the second equation. Wherever there is x, substitute with the 4 minus y. So x squared plus y squared minus 3xy is equal to 76. So we'll take this one. Wherever this x, substitute with the 4 minus y. So it'll be 4 minus y squared plus y squared minus 3xy is equal to 76. Of course, I've forgotten to substitute here, so I have to substitute. So it'll be 4 minus y squared plus y squared minus 3y open brackets. We'll substitute wherever there's x with 4 minus y. So it will be 4 minus y is equal to 76. Now, reaching this far, we have to expand 4 minus y squared the way it is here, and on this part. So we have two brackets here. We have two factors. So we have 4 minus y and 4 minus y plus y squared minus 3y. 4 minus y is equal to 76. So we're going to expand here. 4 multiplied is 4 times the whole of this thing, and minus y times the whole of this thing. So it'll be 4 times 4, 4 times 4, that is 16. 4 times negative y to be 4y, minus y times 4 to be minus 4y, minus y, that is negative y times negative y to be y squared, plus this one plus y squared minus 3y times 4 to be minus 12y, minus 3y times minus y, that is positive 3y squared is equal to 76. So 76 now. So like terms together, we have y squared, and the 3y squared. So we're going to add y squared plus y squared. It is 2y squared. So 2y squared plus 3y squared, that is 5y squared. So it will be 5y squared, right? So minus 4y and the minus 12y. This is minus 4y minus 4y, that is the minus 8y, minus 12y will be minus 20y, and we have 16. This 16, so we need to take this one, should come this side, so to be negative. So like terms like 16 minus 76, so it'll be plus 16 minus 76 is equal to 0. So 5y squared minus 20y, 16 minus 76, that is negative 60 is equal to 0. So we have a number that can enter into 5, negative 20, and negative 60. So we divide it. We are going to divide by 5 everywhere. So by 5, by 5, by 5. This one cancel. We're going to have y squared minus 20 divided by 5. That is negative 4. Minus 60 divided by 5, that is minus 12, equals to 0. So here we're going to multiply this one to be minus 12 y squared. So we have to find two numbers. Once you multiply those two numbers, should give you negative 12, but if you add, it should give you negative 4. So we have and this sign shows that the bigger number should be in negative, so that if you add or either subtract or add, should give you negative 4. So we have negative 6y in the positive 2y. If you multiply negative 6y times positive 2y, it will give us negative 12y squared. If you add negative 6y plus 2y, it will give us negative 4y. So this one is so we have to substitute these two into what we are going to remove negative 4y and substitute what with these two numbers. So it'll be y squared minus 6y plus 2y minus 12 will be equal to y. So we're going to factorize. So here we have common variable, that is y. So it'll be y minus 6 here, plus we have 2. They can enter into this one and this one, so be plus 2. Y minus 6 is equal to 0. So this factor and this one the same. So take y plus 2 and the y minus 6 equals to 0. So y plus 2 equals to 0, or y minus 6 equals to 0. So we take this one should go this side, so be y is equal to negative 2, or this one should go this side to be positive, so to be 6. So these are the values of y. Values of what? Of y can be either negative 2 or 6. Now, since we have found the value of y, the values of y, we have to use these values to find the values of x. So remember that we had to find x equals to 4 minus y, but y equals to negative 2 or 1 or 6. So wherever there is y, substitute with either negative 2 or 6 in this equation. So to be x equals to 4 minus 2. So x will be equal to minus, that is positive. So be 4 plus 2, x will be equal to 6. Or we have this. What about y equals to 6? What about the values of x? So it will be x will be equal to 4 minus 6. So x will be equal to negative 2. So the values of x, therefore, to be equal to x will be equal to 6 or negative 2. So in conclusion, the value, the two numbers, find the two numbers. The two numbers like x will be equal to 6 or negative 2. Y is equal to negative 2 or 6. So these are the two numbers that were taught to find. So if you add these two numbers is 4. So if you take 6 and negative 2, adding, it will give us 4. So you can prove this. You can prove these two equations to really give us 76 and 4 there. Thank you for watching.